Here's the truth about keeping someone on their medications. It works fine, right up until the day it doesn't. A hospital visit, a trip out of town, someone else stepping in, and suddenly the whole picture lives in one person's head. The medication and appointment tracker from Ardent Workshop puts all of it in one calm place you own. It's one workbook with 8 simple tabs for a parent, a partner, or yourself, your medications and their doses, a schedule for the whole day, refills so nothing runs low, appointments with the questions to ask, and the providers behind it all. It opens in Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice. Start with the Medications tab. Every medication, the dose, when it's taken, and what it's for, with a drop-down for the schedule. Then the dose schedule maps it across the day: morning, midday, evening, and bedtime. A twice-daily pill simply shows up in 2 columns, so a fill-in helper can keep the routine straight. Running out on a weekend is the avoidable emergency, and the Refills tab is a little arithmetic that prevents it. Note when each prescription was last filled and how many days it lasts. Then set the status. The cell colors itself automatically: green for okay, amber for refill soon, red for overdue. One glance tells you what needs attention. The Appointments tab keeps what's coming up, the reason, and how they'll get there. Best of all, it holds the questions to ask before the visit and what was decided after while it's still fresh. No more remembering it all on the drive home. The at-a-glance page is the one a paramedic or a fill-in helper needs in the first 5 minutes: conditions, allergies, the primary doctor, and who to call. And the Providers tab keeps every doctor, specialist, and pharmacy with direct numbers, so a question never starts with a search. Prefer Google Sheets? Just open the included link and choose Make a Copy. The whole tracker lands in your drive, fully set up with nothing to import. And one rule keeps it safe to share with everyone who helps. Record the care, not the passwords. Never a portal login, never a full insurance number, because for something this personal, the file should be yours. No monthly subscription, no records sitting on someone else's server. Buy it once and keep it forever. The Medication and Appointment Tracker from Ardent Workshop. Thanks for watching.